actually we are always doing sales. Including today you go job interview, right? You are selling yourself. Also sales ma. Then why people hate sales? To me, job title doesn't matter. Everybody is into sales. It's the only way we stay in business. By who ah? Harvey McCain. So, sales is a very important aspect of our life. Be it you are a sales executive, be it you are an employer, you are actually doing sales. If you are not all this, right, actually every single day you are doing sales. Do you know that? The first example I'm going to show you is about a movie. Second example, I talk about dinner. Third example, I talk about when you are a small kid. Okay, so talking about this, let's start with a movie. Take for example, if today, right, you find a movie very nice. For example, recently I watched a movie called Sonic the Hedgehog. I like the movie a lot. So I tell my friend, hey friend, I tell you all, there is a movie, very nice one. What their CGI do until damn good. And the movie, the pace, very good. And it's like real life like that. If I am you, I sure watch. So what are you doing? You are doing a sales. So second example, today I want to eat dinner with a friend. I want to eat Japanese food. So I tell my friend, I tell you all, got one Japanese food restaurant, right? The Japanese food not bad one. And some more they very high tech one. They use the train to deliver the food to you. Well, you really must go. Damn cool one. What I'm doing? I'm doing sales. Third kind of example, when you are a small kid, right? Actually, you already learn how to do sales already. For example, when I small, that time, okay, I go to the shopping mall. Then I want a candy. Okay, then I tell my father, Pa, I want candy. So my father say what? Cannot. He giving me what? Giving me rejection. So what I do I tell my father, Pa, can I buy or not? Then my father still tell me no. So what I do? I continue to persist. Pa, can or not? Then my father keep on reject until the last resort. What I do I kneel down and cry. Pa, I really want. So what I'm doing? I'm doing sales. So this example show you that actually we are always doing sales. Including today you go job interview, right? You are selling yourself. Also sales ma. Then why people hate sales? Because they hate rejection. They hate what? They hate challenges. They hate what? They hate need to persuade people to buy things. Got agenda ma. That's why hate ma. Just not all the example no agenda one. That's why people don't hate what. Correct, right? So sales, right? If you treat it as sales, right, definitely a lot of people say they don't like what. But is it so hard or not? No. Throw the agenda aside can already. Then you yourself, right, you will start to enjoy the process of sales if you don't treat sales like sales. People ask me whether they are suitable to do sales or not. Or some people just deny I cannot do sales one. But I tell you all the fact every single one of y'all can do sales one. I share with y'all a story. So once upon a time, there is this guy, right, who always talk, right. He will keep on stuttering one. Like hello, how are you? So that's the way how he talk. So you think this person can do sales or not? By right cannot what. So one day he go and interview a job. And the job is called selling encyclopedia. So the boss look at him during interview. Can or not? You talk like that, how to do sales? Then this person, right, he say, I can do sales one. Then the boss say that, how I hire you? Then he say, I free or charge one. Then the boss decide, right, okay, I hire you free or charge, I see . So what happened? 1 week later, right, they have a sales meeting. All the sales people, right, okay, gather together, including him. So the boss, right, one by one ask. He asked the salesperson, hey, how many encyclopedia you sell? The first person say, I sell 5. Then the boss say, good job. Then he asked the salesperson B, how many you sell? Boss, I only sell 1. Then he clap hand, wow, good job, 1 is good. Then he start to ask the guy who started a lot one. So you how many you sell? Okay, so this encyclopedia, this person, right, he say, I sell 5. Right? Then he said, no, boss. Then he say, how many? Then he say, 15. Then the boss says, wow,
NANI?
this person can sell 15 ah. Then he asked the guy that, you how you sell 15? Well, the boss also started leh. Then this guy, right, he say, when I go to my appointment, right, I meet my customer, okay, then he don't want to buy for me, right, I tell him, if you don't buy for me, right, I will one page by one page slowly read to you. Okay, so can I say that, right, he have his strategy of selling his encyclopedia? Yes, actually every one of you can do sales one. So if you ask me, sales, right, is it an important process in life? It is an important process in life. Whether you are doing sales or you are not doing sales as your job, right, you can consider, right, learning more about sales. It's not hard as long as you treat sales as a normal process. For business owner out there, if you long time never do sales and you even feel that you are scared of doing sales these days, go and face it. Do sales. Sales will change your life. Sales to our organization is just like oxygen. If you master the skill of sales, you can improve your business tremendously. So if you like this video, you can like, share and comment. See you at our next sales video.